Good afternoon, everybody. You see what time it is? It's motorcycle in time. The wife, this is a unique situation. I got her to work a little early, aka it's still daylight, and it's a beautiful day out. The wife is actually getting out of work a little on the late side. So what I'm gonna do, she rode to work. So I'm gonna take the bike, ride the back roads down to her work, and she's leaving like in a few minutes to start heading back, and we're gonna meet halfway somewhere. We'll probably pass each other on the road, turn around, and then we're gonna take the long way home basically. In other words, I'm gonna take you guys with me, to see if we can, see if we catch her, doing one of them numbers. See if she's speeding. We had to stop because someone's shoe came untied. Alright guys, 63 miles. That's about as curvy as our roads get. Hang on a minute. Is that a little better? Still a little smudged. Had bugs on the camera. Anyway, yeah, that's about as curvy as our area gets. So, whatever. Is what it is. We didn't move here for riding. We moved here for farming. Even then, that's a little on the tough side sometimes. But, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.